This video delves into the fundamental principles of simultaneously building muscle and losing fat, specifically tailored for beginners. We will address the importance of nutrition, emphasizing a balanced diet with the right macronutrient composition to support muscle growth and fat loss. Effective training approaches, including resistance training and high-intensity interval training, will be discussed to maximize results. Additionally, the significance of rest, recovery, and adequate sleep in the muscle building and fat loss process will be highlighted. Tracking progress through body measurements and strength improvements is key in maintaining motivation and ensuring success. Lastly, sustainable lifestyle adjustments such as stress management and proper hydration will be emphasized to complement the journey of muscle building and fat loss. This segment focuses on the pivotal role of nutrition in supporting the dual goals of muscle growth and fat reduction. A balanced diet featuring adequate protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, while carbohydrates provide the energy needed for intense workouts and healthy fats support overall well-being. By consuming the right combination of these macronutrients, individuals can optimize muscle-building processes while simultaneously reducing body fat. Ensuring the right balance of nutrients is crucial for beginners aiming to achieve these fitness goals, and a comprehensive understanding of nutrition forms the cornerstone of their journey towards a healthier and more muscular physique. This section delves into diverse workout strategies designed to optimize both muscle gain and fat loss. By exploring resistance training, individuals can stimulate muscle growth and enhance metabolic rate, thereby aiding in fat reduction. Additionally, high-intensity interval training, HIIT, is highlighted for its ability to boost cardiovascular fitness, burn calories, and promote muscle endurance. These effective training approaches offer beginners a comprehensive fitness regimen tailored to achieve their goals of building muscle and shedding fat. Understanding and implementing these workout strategies can significantly contribute to a more efficient and sustainable approach to fitness and body transformation. This segment underscores the critical role of rest and recovery in maximizing the effectiveness of fitness endeavors. Emphasizing the significance of adequate sleep and scheduled recovery days, we highlight their essential contributions to muscle building and fat loss. Quality sleep is pivotal for muscle repair and growth, while recovery days allow the body to heal and rebuild, ultimately enhancing overall performance. Understanding the importance of rest and recovery is fundamental for beginners embarking on their fitness journey, as it ensures that the body is optimally prepared for the demands of training and facilitates the desired outcomes of muscle gain and fat loss. This section delves into the importance of monitoring and tracking progress as a vital component of a fitness journey. By emphasizing the value of methods such as body measurements and strength improvements, individuals can effectively gauge their advancements and stay motivated. Tracking progress not only provides tangible evidence of success but also helps individuals identify areas for improvement, allowing for adjustments in their fitness and nutrition plans. For beginners, this comprehensive approach to monitoring progress is instrumental in maintaining accountability and staying committed to their goals of building muscle and losing fat, ultimately fostering a sense of achievement and progress. This segment addresses the critical need for sustainable lifestyle adjustments to complement the pursuit of muscle building and fat loss. By discussing the significance of stress management and proper hydration, we underscore the vital role of overall well-being in supporting fitness goals. Sustainable lifestyle changes, including stress reduction techniques and adequate hydration, are essential for optimizing the body's physiological processes, thereby promoting muscle growth and facilitating fat loss. Understanding the impact of lifestyle adjustments forms a key foundation for beginners, enabling them to foster holistic well-being and create an environment conducive to successful and lasting transformations.